All right, gang, so you can see here some sweat has come out a bit. Not as much as I'd like, but a little pressed for time. So we're gonna just lather it all up in oil. All the way around. You don't go too crazy. Now, what we're gonna have to do here too is make sure our pan gets smoking hot. You'll see, so I'm turning it on long before I actually need it because you'll see it. It's gonna smoke, hopefully. Oh, it will, but all right. So the only seasoning I really use is basically garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. I really don't think there's much else to need. Some people like putting rosemary or essence or this or that, the other thing. Whatevs. It's your thing. Do it. For me, this is what works. And you will find what works for you. So, seasoning up. Now I'm going to throw these gloves on more for heat protection and sanitary reasons, but always be as clean and sanitary as you can in the kitchen. So we're just going to be waiting on our pan. I really should have turned it on before I started seasoning up and oiling the beef. So what we'll do now is clean up a little bit, because I can always edit this out after. Do you want to shut the bedroom doors? Because I'm about to get smoky. You know, I'm going to put a little bit more oil on this bad boy. No need to on the fat side. Just on the side that's going to be seared off first. So you want to sear the ends first, then the bottom, then the fat last, and then throw it in with the fat on top. So that way the fat just kind of melts all over it. So actually go this side, fat side, and then the other side. Then we're going to throw it in the oven. So I don't know if you can see some of the smoke coming out here, but we're going to wait until it gets super, super smoky. Neighbors love it how it smokes up the how it smokes up the hallway. And I don't know if you notice, I've got the oven on at 275, and we're going to slow roast this bad boy for probably 2.5, 3 hours, depending. Checking it at probably 45-minute intervals. Honey, you want to just slice the potatoes and then throw them on a sheet pan and roast them? That's probably the fastest, easiest way, no?
Yeah.
All right, we got some nice smokage going. We're going to let it go a little bit more because I don't like how it's looking on the left. Or do you want to cook the potatoes while they're here?
I don't mind.
Okay.
I just want to, like, I want to just have the house clean and in the shower right now. That's what I'm really looking forward to.
All right, proper smokage. Now, you're going to want to be careful, too, because lots of fat on the meat, and you don't want it to catch on fire, because it just might if fat starts splatting everywhere. And if it does catch on fire, what we're going to do is just kill the fire and throw it right in the oven. But let's hope that doesn't happen. Now you want to sear for a good, I'd say at least 2 minutes on each side, because what you want to do is just sear and close up those pores and get all those juices in. You know, and when in doubt, go another minute or so. It's only been probably 45 seconds anyway. I think I'm super dehydrated, honey.
Really?
I really do. I'm sorry? Well, that's why I have this Gatorade. That's why I've been drinking the coconut juice. But it's like, man, I drank so much water yesterday, too. All right, we got some good fat coming off of that, as you can see, hopefully. And we're going to flip her now. Ooh, see that? Watch it. Yeah. See that? We got some nice brownage there. I'm sure some of you out there will be like, oh, you should have left it on longer. Yeah, you're probably right. I should have. This will be my dirty meat rag. What's that? Yeah, yeah. We got some nice searage going on here on the sides. We're gonna, you know what we're gonna do? We'll put our timer on for 2 minutes on this bad boy. And then we'll do 2 minutes each side again. Not again, but I mean we'll do 2 minutes over here, and we'll do 2 minutes over here. The most important thing is just to get a little brownness searing those pores. And you know what I'm thinking, honey? The ends will be well done. Or not well done, but like medium well. What happened? What happened?
Oh, I bent my nail.
You bent your what?
Oh,
What
my
happened?
nail back.
Ooh, yikes. You know, the biggest thing with searing is you got to be patient. Even though you got all this brownness and scata building up, it's okay. But we do have some smokage going on here. So I'm going to get the other side now. So I guess we'll be holding this here for a little bit. I don't know if any of you saw that little flame that shot up. That's what you got to be careful of. So we'll just do this side for probably another minute, and then we have 2 minutes left on the fat cap, and it's going straight in the oven. If you do not own a cast iron roasting pan, trust me, it'll be the best investment you'll ever make. Loge has them for like 25 bucks. All right, be careful of the fire there. Whoa, see that, gang? Little fire action, it's all right. Usually burns right off. But like I said, you gotta be careful of that. So we definitely got some good searing without a doubt. Oh yeah. This side, you know, not as much, but probably could have used a bigger pan. And unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to sear this side up as much. But that's okay, because what we're gonna do is flip this over and throw it in the oven, and it's just going to slowly roast in its own juices and goodness, and that'll do it, gang. But I just want to show you the other